Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'm going to show you how to make a reading pillow so that you can keep the book you're currently reading inside. On Wednesday, it's your tip of the week, and I'm going to show you a really fun way to store your fat quarters, and I'll also give you some tips on what to do with those odd-shaped pieces of scrap fabric. On Thursday and Friday, it's a two-part video series on how to make this embroidery machine pillow from beginning to end. For other beginner sewing projects, check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Well, I hope you are as excited as I am about next week's videos. See you next week. Bye-bye. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.